Okay, so I was putting a bucket down, and obviously we blew a hose or something here. And I'm thinking it is right here. One of these two. Or it could be both of them. So I'll get on fixing that. Or, oh boy, that one looks terrible. I might replace these two while it's nice and warm out. Okay, we're messing with a 416 1989 cat Backhoe. Blue hose, you seen on the last video there. Cody had a chance to pop these off for me, the two hoses. This is on the lift ram. I had two made. Okay, with a local company. They're a little expensive. That's a $200 worth of hydro lines right there. 200 bucks. I'm gonna pop them on here right now. See how it goes. Another day at the Vic's yard. Yeah, I'm digging around here for the tools I need to do this. Found a wrench, and I got to use one of those adjustable ones. And here's my next little problem. This little toolbox has saved me hundreds of times, maybe a few hundred times. But to get one thing out of there, one tool, you got to dump half the box out. So if anybody has any ideas of keeping organized on a mobile unit, tailgate system here, you see how we're working right off the tailgate of the pickup truck, mobile. If you got any ideas, let me know how to organize the tools. Be a great help. I'd love to see how everybody's doing this mobile deal. This is no good, no good. It's great for emergencies. This box saved me, like I said, but having everything kind of separated is way better. Let me know what you think. All right, after about an hour and about 4 or 5 different interruptions, today's my birthday. Everybody's calling to say happy birthday. We got her. We're gonna give her a little test. Runs right down here. I want to put some rubber on that so don't rub against the fuel tank, because I can already see that rubbing. So what you do is take some old hose or something and you wrap it on there, zip tie it on. That'll stop that from rubbing. Right over to here. We're back in order. Tight, ready to go. Okay, he's running good. Now this is what the lines look like on the other side view. Someone replaced one already. This looks like an original cat. This is a replacement. That looks good. Got to do the battery connections, clean that up. This should be good to go. Okay. And then the ground's a little frozen yet. I'm mopping around over here a little. I found an old stump that I must have dug up. It was frozen. Look, it's still frozen to the ground. I mean, it's ice. A couple little hits of the bucket, she's loose, but there's a little hump right here. You can't really see it, but it's like a little hump. I'm just mopping this up a little bit, stirring it up. So let's do a little filming of that. as you guys see, the ground is still frozen here, and the backhoe, the bucket, you cannot grab with it. That's why that machine it's almost obsolete for certain things. If you're gonna be doing big stumps and stuff, you know, and you got room to play, that machine's great, but it has its downfalls. You can't move quick. You see that. It's not the fastest maneuver to rip that little tree out. I could do that same job with a mini excavator in probably half the time, and then ball up all that stuff right there and bring it to another location in the yard. So we're getting there. Surprise, surprise, a mini excavator is in the works. This machine, I'm testing it out, making sure it's up to snuff. Someone's coming to look at it. It might go. It might be going. It's the second person looking at it. We will see. Keeping our fingers crossed.